Hi you guys, it's Liz Thompson here, and today I want to talk to you guys about something a little bit different. If you saw my post earlier today, you might know what I'm talking about. It's not my beloved oils, which I love with passion. It's something a little bit different today. So about 3 days ago, a friend on Facebook introduced me to this new app that's coming out. It's in pre-launch still, which means it's not actually out yet. But that is a benefit to you and me because we can actually pre-purchase the app and get on board. So what is this thing? It's an app that pays you for your location data. Now, before you panic about what I'm saying, this is really cool because you know probably that a lot of apps already take your data. They take your location data, maybe they, you know how sometimes you're like, oh, I need to buy something, and then it pops up as an ad in your Facebook feed. So we already know kind of that our phones are listening, things like that. So this app is different. So instead of some big companies being paid for your data, now power to the people, we get to take control back into our own hands over our data. This company works anonymously and it only is sharing your location. So investors want to know where you go to, if you go to Starbucks or the local coffee shop, so they know where to invest. So that's basically what your data, your location data is being used for. It's not looking at your pictures or your personal data or anything like that. It's just anonymously, so you're anonymous, showing where you go. Do you go to Target or do you go to Walmart or do you go to Albertsons? Do you go to Trader Joe's? Ooh, Trader Joe's over here. So it's just finding out anonymously your location data, and then it's paying you for it. Okay, so the money for your data is going back to you. Isn't that genius? It's such a novel idea, right? So where it gets really interesting is that they have a refer a friend program. So you go in, you sign up with your link, and if you refer a friend, you get $1 for that. $1 for every friend you refer. And if they refer a friend, let me start over. If you pay $10, you can become an affiliate. Now, right now it's $10 for the whole year. So this is just in pre-launch. This is only going to be another week to 2 weeks before the app launches. So if you get in on pre-launch for $10, you can become an affiliate. And then after the app launches, it'll be $10 a month. So right now it's just $10 for the first year. As an affiliate, you also get paid on the referrals that your friends make. So if I refer Sally and then she refers Bob, I'll make $2. Okay, it doesn't sound like a ton of money, but still money for the data going back into your own pocket, right? That's pretty good. Now here's where it gets super interesting, and someone who's a genius needs to do the math for me, and then you can message me on this. But let's say if I sign up 10 people that want to be affiliates, that means they just want to earn a little bit more, then I become a super affiliate. So what does that mean? A super affiliate earns 50% of their friends' earnings and 50% of their friends of friends' earnings. So you can see how the math gets pretty big here. Now, this isn't like a standard MLM where you're gonna go really far down the ladder. It's only 2 tiers that you get paid on, but because those friends are sharing and you're earning on their earnings, it actually is a lot of income potential. So someone do the math and tell me like a minimum and a maximum you think